What's old is new again. Chrysler went back in time with its latest design study, the Airflow, but with 8 screens inside, big range, and level 3 autonomous driving capability, there is nothing old-fashioned about this all-electric concept car. This sleek, futuristic machine was just unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show, but you may be wondering, why did they go with a name that's knocking on 90 years old? Well, for one, it's friggin' cool, and two, the original Airflow was a groundbreaking car, and designers probably hope this concept will be as well. The Chrysler Airflow debuted in the 1930s. The motor car was an engineering marvel, chock-a-block with clever features for improved safety and passenger comfort. The Airflow's wind-cheating body was its real claim to fame and its downfall. Despite numerous advantages, the Airflow's awkward looks were just too fashion-forward and few were sold. Despite being ahead of its time, the car was a flop. But back to 2022, with a clean design, elegant interior, and sensible drivetrain, there's no reason this concept couldn't enter production like yesterday. However, Chrysler spokesfolk will not confirm if the Airflow will be the brand's first pure EV, which is promised to come out by 2025, or whether it will even enter production at all. And that's a bummer because I quite like the Airflow. It looks premium and has real presence. That Arctic white paint is a bit stark, but it contrasts nicely with the black roof, and I love those big 22-inch wheels. Inside, there's lots more to talk about. The Airflow's cabin is bright and airy, with acres of white leather and dark accents. Reducing environmental impact, those cowhides are vegetable tanned, and the floor mats, as well as the carpeting, are made of recycled materials. Since everything has to have a screen these days, the Airflow features 8 of them, which form the Stella Smart Cockpit. These panels are designed to give each passenger a personalized experience, allowing them to seamlessly access entertainment and apps. Increasing the vehicle's usefulness, each seat has an individual camera, so passengers can join group video chats, meaning you're never not able to participate in meetings, so don't even think about lying to your boss. Even the driver gets a camera, but thankfully it only works when the vehicle is in park. All that tech is powered by the Stella Brain platform, a new electrical and software architecture. The system allows developers to create new features and services and then quickly push them out to existing vehicles without having to wait for new hardware to come out. Making commutes less of a chore, the Airflow concept features Stella Auto Drive. This advanced cruise control system promises level 3 autonomous driving capability, which is conditional automation, and this means the vehicle can drive itself in certain situations like on the highway or in traffic jams, though the driver must be ready to take over whenever the vehicle requests it. As for nuts and bolts, there aren't too many details to share, but the Airflow features all-wheel drive, courtesy of 2 150-kilowatt electric motors, one mounted at each end. With about 400 horsepower on tap, it should be quite a performer, though there is enough room underneath the body to fit larger motors, so an even higher performance model could be introduced in the future, assuming, the vehicle gets built at all. No specifics were shared, but this Chrysler's battery pack is intended to deliver between 350 and 400 miles of range, a competitive figure, at least right now. So that's it, the new Airflow concept. Like its ancestor from the 30s, this car offers loads of advanced features and demonstrates the Chrysler brand's vision of the future. I think Airflow is an awesome name. This concept looks great, and Chrysler should absolutely build it, and I hope they do. But do you like the looks of this EV? Should Chrysler make this thing? Well, sound off in the comments down below, because I'm really curious to know if I'm off my rocker or if saner people agree with me.